Yeah, it was awesome. I knew I'd see a few faculty that I've been friends with over the past 5 years, and it was great to see them. Obviously, I haven't seen some of them in over a year and a half, so it was good to see them again. But what I was really not totally expecting to see was how many former students that I saw tonight, and having conversations with them about their progress over the last year and a half was really awesome to see that they are progressing towards their goals, whether it be getting into the MLT program or going on to med school. I heard some great success stories from those students tonight.
I mean, this was a very special occasion for me, meeting the people who helped me transition from the African education system to the American education system, to see the people who nurtured me. It's like meeting your mother, people who kind of gave me the academic breast milk of America. It was really great to see the people who appreciated my talents and helped nurture them and give me the direction on what to do. It was really tremendous.
For me, the first 3 years of the college, and for me as a faculty member, my first 2 years, we were still in the old high school in Osseo. And that's where I had sat in high school algebra class and staring out the window, and now I was teaching in those same rooms. My wife taught for 26 years at Osseo High School, and so we were still in the high school, and even when we moved out here, there were only 3 buildings, and none of them had a second story on them, but I enjoyed it. I always enjoy coming back to North Edmonton. This is my home country. So.
If you just walk around the facilities here without even talking to a single student or single faculty, you'll be impressed. The classrooms are top notch, just in terms of the physical space, how well it's upkept, how up to date all the technology is, and the teaching labs are just miles above what you're going to find if you go to a typical 4-year school. Everything is just so well kept, so that speaks volumes for itself.
This I think I can call it the best place for me. It was like America 101, because once I came from Africa, this was the cosmopolitan environment in America that I knew, where I would come and interact with people. And it was really great meeting new people, different cultures, and how they were patient to let me learn their ways of life. And just from going to class, to the cafeteria, to the library, I used to work as a security officer here as a student and a tutor, and it was really great just working with especially the staff. It was quite something which shaped me to be who I am right now, because I never even used to talk the way I'm talking now. When I came from Africa, I was an introvert, but this environment made me an extrovert. So yeah, it was.
The diversity is something that I always enjoy. It's not just racial diversity or one continent or country to another. It's the diversity in ages and the diversity in backgrounds, and so many stories that students would tell me if I took the time to listen. And after a while, I found that it was worth my while to listen. And there's a lot of great stories coming out of North Edmonton.